Good day, divergence traders. How we doing today? Today was tough, I'll have to say. Today was tough. They really wanted to shake people out. What did they do here? Well, they shook out the people who were short all along here. Then what did they do down here? All the people who were buying up in here, if they didn't get out quick enough, and they put their stops, that's where that's where us humans put our stops. Let's put it that way. Let's not call ourselves retail traders like we're morons or something. It's an algo. The algo is running to get you, and that's what it does. For those who didn't put their stop here and they put it here, well, even worse. Okay? Then all the people who were selling this movement down, where would they put their stops? Right here above these wicks. Right here. Look at this fucking shit. They came and got the gold again. They came and got you again. See? So they got you here, then they got you here, then they got you here. 3 freaking times, over and over and over again. Very tough day to trade. Very tough day. If you traded the 5-minute, let's go look at the 1-minute and see what it showed us. Okay? So we have a high. This is the open, I believe, right? Yeah, 1630. This is the opening candle. It just spiked up 29 points. To the top, 35 points. So we got a high and a higher high, but there's no divergence here because this mountain peak needs to be smaller than this one over here. So there was no selling in here. This is the 1-minute, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, look up above. 1-minute time frame. Okay, so there's no divergence to sell. Then we came down. We put in a low, a retracement, and a lower low. Okay. Yes, we could count this as a trade. Did it hit the target? I do not know. Yeah, I got my red line on there. This, why it's red is, I just wanted to show you. This is where the stop would go. Let me just fix that. Hold on. Where's that cream color? I'll use that one. Okay. There's your low and your lower low. There's where your stop. They all want to just light up for me. Holy jeez, man. Stop that. Be good. Okay. All right. So, we got long right there, right? We need the 5 to cross up above the 7. Okay. I don't think we hit target. We had 15 points. Oh my God. 16 points. We just in the nick of pip movement, we got it. Okay? We got it. Wow. Wow, man. Okay, let's move on. There's more trades. Let me show you. Which one is this going to draw? Yeah, okay. Just like that. Hard to see bullish divergence, okay? Right there. So this is what you got to do on a day that it's wacko. You gotta scale down to the 1-minute. Okay, so would have put your stop right there. I know it's taking more time. I'm just trying to show you this here today. Okay. You might recognize it again in the future. So that's where, well, I can't put it right on the tip of the wick because it'll do, well, maybe I can. Hold on. No, it's not even letting me pick it up. It's stubborn. There. There, that's where the stop would go. Okay? Hold on. So you would have got short, I know, way down here on the open of this candle after it just came down 26 points. I understand. Okay? So it would have went against you. Did it come down 26 points? No, it came down around 17 points. So that wasn't the best of trade. And that's actually, it would have been better if this candle wasn't so long and big, right? That's what happened with that. So then this next one worked out beautifully. Okay. Oh, Jason. There's no trade there. This is lower than this one. This one needs to be higher. There was no trade to buy here. And then we came up here, and this needs to be lower than this mountain peak. There was no trade to sell here. There's no other trades. The only two trades were the buy, low and lower low, okay, and the sell with the stops that go. You little buggers. That's where the stop would be. Okay? That's the divergence. That's it for the NASDAQ. It was a hairball thing today. Let's take a look at the S&P. Probably very similar. Yeah, they just went and hunted the stops here, there, and everywhere. That's what they did. We can go look at the 1 minute for fun. It's the same thing. It followed it identically. The algo rhythm, which I call AL. Okay? Let's see what we got. Yeah, we have a trade here, but who's going to jump in on the open? Not me. So that's a no trade. That's considered a no trade. That's like non-farm payroll. That's why you don't trade the open of the stock market. You'll get killed. More than often, you will get killed. Okay? There was a trade here. You could call it a double bottom, right? Like this. Okay? And it didn't really go anywhere. So if you got in here, your stop would be 2.5 points. Did you get the 2.5? Yeah, you got the 2.5 points. And then we have... Yeah, I'll mark them for you, because otherwise there's going to be no trades to mark, because there's nothing on the freaking 5 minute. There's nothing. There's jack shit on there. I'll just use red line here. Jesus, got to keep changing it. Oh, I hate fucking MetaTrader. You can't click on the stupid thing? Holy finger Jesus. Right here. I like the crosshair in MetaTrader, but I don't like how you can't pick up the lines. You can't pick them up and move them. So there was a buy here. You would have got your 2.5 points. Your stop would have been right there. Okay, you got your 2.5 points if you go for 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. Okay. Now the next trade is right here. Something like that. And you would have sold right on the opening of this candle, and your stop would be I can play with these things all fucking day, these stupid fucking goddamn things. Mode Z. Jeez. Come on. Anyway, stop would go right there. I'm not fooling around with those lines anymore. I had enough. Okay, so it's like, yeah, this is the S and the P, so this is like 3.5 point stop. You got your 3.5 points. There you go. So that was awesome. Now what about down here? Do we have a low and a lower low? But guess what? This needs to be higher than this side, and it's not, so there's no trade to buy right here. But if you bought a because the 5 crossed up over the, above the 7, so you would have bought right here, let's say, your stop would be 3 points. Did we get the 3 points? Oh, you bet. Yeah, we got 5. And what about over here? Let's see. Do you see what I see? Da, 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 da. It's really funny. I live in an apartment. This lady who lives right across from me. I put up my Christmas decor on the door, and she still has her fall whatever on the door. I don't think she likes that I put up my Christmas thing. I don't have anything else to put on the door, so I like Christmas. So I put it up about a month ago. Think about it. It's like November 1st when it really starts. If you watch TV enough, you'll know it goes from regular commercials. November 1st, whammo. What happens? You get the Christmas commercials. So, yeah. I put it up a little early. No big deal. Okay, so it would get short there. Stop would be 37 points. Your stop would be right here at the top of this cross. 37. Oh, no. This is S&P. No, 3.5. 3 points. 3 points. And we got the 3 points. And there's another one. Right here. Right there, ladies and gentlemen. Just like that. And we would have got in right on the opening of that candle. So right here. Stop would have been 3 points. Did we get our 3 points? Yeah. All the trades were winners on the S and the P 500. Gotta like that, because that's difficult to trade all in itself. You know what I mean? Yeah. So anyway, there you have it. That's the S&P. Let's now move on to the Dow Jones US 30. It was a little crazy today too. Monday. It's a bad Monday. Let's look at the 1 minute. Let's take the auto scroll off. Okay. There's no trade here, even if there isn't. There's no trade. That's like non-farm payroll. How far did it go up in 2 minutes? 97 points. It's like non-farm. So what do you see down here? Woo, woo, woo. I know what I see. I see a loser. Then a winner. Okay, so we go like this to here. Well, you're not supposed to go there. You're supposed to stick there. Little bugger. Okay, right here like this. So this is where we would have got in. Right here, ladies and gentlemen. Right here. We would have got in on the opening of this candle right there. And our stop goes right there, always at the swing low. Okay? I know some people leave 5 pips cushion. Some people don't even use a stop in hopes that it's just going to go back up. All kinds of different ways to do it. But I have noticed that I would say like 99.5% of the time, the price does not come back and get your stop. Okay? It did here, and I'm glad to show you this example, because they definitely did here. Now, so if you would have bought it right there, your stop would have been like 17, 18 points, okay? So you would have lost 18 points. So what do you do then? Well, you can still extend this over here and try again at the beginning. How's that saying going? How's that saying go? If you fail, try again, or something like that, Okay, so right here, after this candle closed above, the 5 crossed up above and looked a lot better than when it crossed over here. So you would have got long right on the opening of the candle, right in the exact same spot you got long the last time. Would you have enough fight in you to try it again and say, come on, I fell down. Come on, come and hit me again, you motherfucker. Come on, let's go. Do you have that in you? Because that's what I say. If you lose on one and you get the setup again and it looks even clearer and better, you do it. And it went up 43 points. So the stop was 23. So we lost 18 on the first one. And, you would have got 18 and say you got out with 40 right there. You made 22 points or ticks or whatever. You would have got your losses back plus the profit. Okay? That's what you do. That's what happens when you fight back. When you try it again. You don't try it a third time. Then you're really going to get chopped up. Only twice. Only twice. You lose once, try it one more time. And if that one doesn't work, stop trading for the day. Shut off your computer. Go to the mall. Go somewhere. Go to Starbucks. Have a cup of coffee. Whatever you want to do. But don't do any more trades. It's like the devil curse of the markets is present. You know what I'm saying? All right. So we had a sell right here. Stop always goes at the closest swing high right here, 17-point stop. I always use the amount of my stop for my take profit, which is 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. So the stop, was 18 pips and it went down 30. So I definitely got more than I needed. Okay. Then we have one more trade. Okay. Like a triple bottom, whatever. We can, if you don't want to cooperate, we can draw it like this too. Let's see, does that work? Yeah, it works. Even from here. Yeah, it's divergent. You would have got long right in here. Right there. Boom, shakalak. Your stop would be 17 points. Went up 27 points. Okay, and I got to find some. Let's see. Go look on the pound. Maybe we have some. What I'm about to show with you. Yeah, we do. We do. Okay. Right here. Yeah, it's right here, basically. Right from the top of this wick to the top of this wick. You're not sticking there for me. Good. Okay. And like this. So you would have got short here. You would have sold it. Your stop would be 9 pips. Before it went the other way, it went down 36 pips. So right here, okay, I want to show you right here, higher close, On the opening of the next candle of the higher close, boom, you sell it, down it goes. And then another one more. We got to show you one more. Higher close, boom. Oh, don't do that. There. There. I want you to see those thumbs perfectly. See that? In a downtrend, we're looking for a higher close candle, then we sell it, and down it goes. Higher close candle, sell it, down it goes. Okay? In an uptrend, we're looking for a lower close, up it goes. See, we're looking for, in a downtrend, we're looking for higher close candles, and in an uptrend, we're looking for lower close candles. Okay? The exact opposite. And they work amazingly, as you've seen, or I pointed them out to you. They hardly have any drawdown. They're really good. If you're a scalper, that would be the ultimate scalping system right there. Okay, let's look at the euro. Well, let's pull this back down. Wow. Okay. Higher high, double top, whatever you want to call it. And there's the divergence going down like that. See? That's divergence, man. All right. So you would have sold right there on the opening of that candle, which was exactly at 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time this morning. Okay, right just before the U.S. session opened up. So you would have sold there. Your stop would be 5 pips. There's 10 pips. And there's a higher close. Sell it, and where does it go? Sell it, and down it goes. That one was good for what? 8 pips. Here's another one. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. There's the second one. Right there. Okay? Now, did we have divergence here too and it never went anywhere? Yeah, it went up 5 pips. Holy shit. And then they smacked it down. This trade, not too good. If you did it and you got 2 or 3 pips, hey, in about 20 minutes, hey, good for you. Good for you. Let's see here. But we have hard to see bullish divergence right here. Okay, that's going down, or that's going down. This is going up. That's divergence. So we would have sold right there. Stop always goes right here at the swing high and hardly ever comes back to it. So your stop would have been like 9 pips. Went down 10, 11 pips. There you have it. And I wouldn't call that divergence to buy. But you could trade the cross up when the 5 crossed up over the 7. As silly as that seems. Oh, look at that guy. Showing these trades of 2 stupid moving averages crossing one another. What an idiot. That's what a lot of people would say who would come and watch this video. They'd say I'm a fucking idiot. Well, this idiot made out good right here. Okay? Your stop would be 6, 7 pips. Went up 13 pips. That's 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. How stupid do I look now? Huh? Yeah. Anyway, let's move on. Pound yen. Whoa. Yeah, same kind of trades. Look at that. Look. Take a look. Higher highs, just like that. Right in here. farther, like over here, down like that. That's divergent, ladies and gents, and you would have got short right there. Stop only was 11 pips. You got 25, 26 pips just to there. Then we have, what do we have here? Higher close candle. No way, can't be. And what happened basically after that? Well, it went into a little bit of drawdown. Yeah, it can happen. Okay? On the opening of this candle. Sell. Okay? And no, you can't put your stop like 3 pips away and think you're going to get away with it. Okay? No, you need room for the trade to breathe. You know what I mean? I don't even use stops for the scalp trades. I am the stop. I am the human stop if I can see that it's going bad on me. But anyway, so it came down, came down, came down. There's 11 pips right there. Could have scalped. Here's another higher close. Look at that. Right there. On the opening of this candle, you would sell it. And it went down another 10 pips, so you could have held it down here for 14 pips. But as I told you, you want to do the first one, and preferably it's up here, close to where we change direction. Okay? You don't want to do more than 2 of them. I showed you, there is one here, but you don't do that one. You do the first one, higher close, sell it, down it goes. Second one, higher close, sell it, down it goes. Okay? All right, let's move on to the euro yen. Probably looks identical to this. Oh, no, it's not identical. Bad call, Jason. I never looked at this chart, honest, until just now. Okay, I just thought they'd kind of follow each other, but they're not. Yeah, doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. We got a high and higher high. Just like that. You would have sold right there. Woo, 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 woo. Sold right on the opening of this candle. Well, guess what? Your stop is 10 pips. Did it go 10 pips? If you held on? No. See, it only went down to 6. I don't trade the euro, man. Euro, yen? Nah. I just put it on here because it gives more markets for people to look at, right? To learn from. You see how it's the same thing as the euro right here. See that? And then you do the cross up and up it goes. I don't even see that. No, there's no trade for here because this mountain peak needs to be lower than this one. This one needs to be higher. Either this one needs to be lower or this one needs to be higher in order to make this divergent where we would sell it right freaking there. You see that? Let me show you. See, we need this one to be up here like this. And we can draw the line. I'm just showing you here, like from here to here. See? Just put it to that candle and not mix it up with that one. You can see that's divergent, right? But it's not because this line's going down. Both lines are pointed down, so that's not a divergence trade. There's no divergence trade there. The only thing you could have traded was a cross down, the 5 crossing down below the 7. And if you did that, well, and you sold it, your stop would be 9 pips, 18 pips. Yep. You would have got your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio on that one. Okay. Oh, look, we're on the last one, Fook, just for you, my student. Right on. Here we go. Let's look at this now. We have, let's just call it a triple bottom. Okay? Ah, you wouldn't stick there, you bugger. Yeah, it's divergent, man. It's a beaut. There we go. So where would have you got in? Well, right here. Right there. See what he got long there? Big stop, man. 28, 29 points. Look at that. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. 28.5. And I just told you 28, 29 points. You know that if it comes within a tick or two or a pip or two to where you put your take profit, you can't just, you got to click out of it. Even if it starts going down like 5 pips, you got to click out of it and take your goddamn profit. You can't let it just go all the way back down again and you lose all your profit, right? Right. See, there's so much more human involvement to trading than people really realize. You know, I see streamers on here, and they're supposed to be they're supposed to know what the hell they're doing, right? You would think, right? That they know what they're doing? That they would tell you that? No. Or they would do it themselves? No. You know what they do? It comes within a tick or two of their freaking take profit, and they let it go and go and go right to their stop, and they don't get out. And they like say I got in right here and it went up here, okay? And I missed my damn take profit by one lousy tick. And it started going all the way back down here. Do you think I'm just going to let it go back down here to where I got in? You know what I mean? No. I would get out like up here somewhere if I really was bullish or something. But if it went 1 or 2 ticks, even 3 or 4 ticks before my take profit, I'd take the profit. I'd close the trade. I'd say, see ya. I don't want to be ya. But anyway, you know why this is happening, I think? Is oh, I better not say that. Maybe it'll probably offend some people. Anyway, all I can say is you got a lot of young people today, and there's nothing wrong with that are in their 20s, and they have their live stream, and they think like they're qualified. They've only been trading maybe a couple of years, maybe 3 years, you know, and they think they're qualified to teach you these bad habits when they're not. Anyway, I don't mean to say anything bad about anybody, but that's what I see. I watch a lot of streams, eh? So it's not like I just watch one guy and come to this conclusion, okay? I watch a whole bunch of streams because I want to see what they're doing. I'm just curious, you know? Like, I live, eat, and breathe trading. Like, basically 12 hours a day or more. So, and I've been doing it 22 years. So I know what the fook I'm talking about. Okay? Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching and listening. I really appreciate you coming out. And I hope to see you tomorrow. Come out again. I see you through the likes. So if you could please hit the like button, that would be good. I would know that you were, you know, that you may have been here today. Tomorrow. You know what I mean? Or I mean today, later today when I see the likes. So anyway, if you could please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. And if you have subscribed recently, I want to say thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it. And yeah, so if you're going to keep trading, be safe. And good luck and good trading.